What's up, Cardano holders? So what's going on? Today I'm so happy because my brother, my coin is moving upward. Definitely, you can see here 6.42%. They will get a profit in just in only 24 hours. So therefore, I'm very excited to see this, and I expect very good, my friend, from this coin because every month, every week, my friend, I earn a lot of money, my friend, from Cardano just in only, my friend. This is very secret, but absolutely, I just share my viewers, my subscriber today will motivate now. So this is just motivation. Now let's get start the price prediction. Please, before I get start the video, I have one request to subscribe this channel if you want to earn money in a crypto. My brother, today the price is absolutely starting increasing and price will jump to 2.39 USD dollar to 2.37. So that's a very bad fails, but absolutely, my friend, tomorrow the price is just in only 2.25 USD dollar, my friends, but today they will change to 2.37. So it's a very good profit, and I will give you guarantee, my friends, if they just in only get a 10% profit today, they will get a 6% profit. But if they just only get a 10% profit, so definitely they will easily hit 3 USD dollar, my friend, at the end of month. So just in only 6 days wait, my friend, and down, and don't, my friends, forget to use starting selling at the end of month. Just sell it. I will give you guarantee today will give you a profit. So let's see, my friend. My prediction is 100% good positive. I already predicted this coin, and absolutely what expert says, everything I know, my friend. So therefore I just share my opinion to please hold for the end of this month. So thanks for watching, holder. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box and don't forget to like just and only hit the like button, complete 100 like, and subscribe this channel, complete 15,000 subscriber. Then I will give away, then I will do a giveaway of my brother of 1,000 Cardano coins. So the very huge giveaway is coming soon. Please wait for it and subscribe channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.